Are you as excited for summer as I am? The sun is out, the weather's warming up, and it's time to get outside. But one of the best things about summer is making s'mores. Hi, I'm Leslie from PlaydatesParties.com, and one of the best things for summer birthday parties and summer get-togethers is to have a s'mores bar. I love to serve DIY s'mores at parties because seriously, the kids have a blast with it and it's just a lot of fun and tasty and it's just classic for summer. But what if you want to make your s'mores just a little bit more fun? I'm going to share with you today a great little trick to show you how you can take store-bought graham crackers and cookie cutters to get perfect shapes for your s'mores bar or for that s'mores inspired icebox cake. Let's get started. All you need for this is, of course, store-bought graham crackers, cookie cutters that are about 2 1/4 inches wide. This one's a little bit bigger, but I'll show you how I use that in a little bit. Lightly dampened paper towels, a plate, and a microwave. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're going to take your lightly dampened paper towel and you're gonna wrap your graham cracker in the towel. Put it on the plate and then let's put it in the microwave. 30 seconds ought to do it. I was actually inspired by this because I created a s'mores inspired icebox cake. And I used for that cake homemade graham crackers. But let's be honest, if I didn't have homemade graham crackers, I wouldn't be using them. And the store-bought graham crackers, while you can use them, aren't quite as pretty with the round cookies that are also on there. So I wanted to see if I could find a way to make graham crackers a nice shape. And I figured it out. It's great. Check it out. Plate's a little hot. Be careful. You're going to unwrap your graham cracker. Be careful because it might get a little floppy. And then you're going to take your cookie cutter. And for this one, I've got a flower shape, but I'm going to use it to create a graham cracker that looks more like a cloud. Kind of. Use your imagination. You're going to press down. Very carefully separate it. Pull it out. And there you have it. And that's one of the ways you can just take something very simple and add a little bit of an extra touch to make it really stand out. Now, I want to know in the comments below, what are you going to do with these graham crackers? What shape would you make and how would you serve them? And if you liked this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from PlaydatesParties.com. Thanks so much. Have a great summer and I'll see you next time.